As you received this VIANIS lighting motion sensor outdoor walls come for great purposes. It comes very well protected with lots of foam. So let's take everything out of the box. It comes with everything you need to install it. This is the base. In here we've got the button to change the mode. You can set it so it's a dimmable mode and echo mode. So it's really nice to have those options and interchange them. Okay. Comes all the stuff you need to install it and how to assemble it. So let's go ahead and install it. Come on. So as you can see, now it's ready. It looks really nice. It's very nice to have up on your door, and I would really recommend it. Really easy to install and everything. See ya.